Ito, Haven, ang pangalan ng room, ay ng bahay.
Yun ang tawag ay
2.5 by 3 meters, square meters. So, second floor to. Ito yung master's bedroom. Dress up na to. So, hindi siyempre ganito yung bibigay sa'yo, bare ang ibibigay sa'yo. Ito, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Ito is 3 by or 4 by 3. Ayan, 4 by 3. Ayun, dress up na yun. Toilet. Bare. Siyempre, bare. Ayan. 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 Ito yung pababa. Hagdanan. Hagdanan, 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 hagdanan. Ito yung third room. May 4 rooms dito. Nasa baba yung isa. Ito mga 2.5 by 2.5 room din. Meters. Yan.
Hello.
Sa Facebook na kaya.
Oo.
Mamaya bakit naman sa Facebook ako nga?
This is the kitchen. Dress up. There's another toilet and bath. The kitchen is about 3 meters by 3. Dining. Living room. There's another room here. Pero ginawa nilang parang receiving. Itong room na to is about 2.5 by 2.5. Ito, park.
Pero kailangan may post ka lang dapat din doon.
Park pa rin ng house. Bali, patio. Ayun. Yan. Tapos, ang propose sila, nito. Na, ito yung magiging in between ng houses ng Colleen, ng Haven. So, may mini park in between yung lake lot. Ito, example sila na mini park. Bagay na bagay kay Juliana. Ito yung still part ng house, ng Haven. Okay, then we will go to... Pause mo na.